guys, ililibre niya ako. You said you will treat me? Wala, ang bait ng bata, nilibre niya ako dahil siya nang libre sa akin. Oh, brother, give... Oh, brother, give me one. Oh, no! Pinaalis sila nung security, pero ita-try natin to. Full fee nila. Hello there again everyone and welcome back to Peshawar, Pakistan! This is our first day and kagabi nga tayo lumapag. Of course, syempre kagabi lang. So mag-explore muna tayo ng a little bit here sa Peshawar kasi nga last year nandito din naman ako pero hindi kami masyadong kapag-ikot dito kasi mostly nasa bundok kami. So ayun, ang dami lalaki doon. Pero ito lang yung lalaki ko. Charas. So ayan, here is the road here. Kapag the road here, akala ko nasa US. So mag-explore tayo. Ay, may Donkey Yote ng Japan. Oh, di ba? Actually, para lang din naman siyang normal, nasa ibang planeta. Maganda naman siya. Oh, di ba? Modern na din, ang gaganda ng mga bahay, oh. Kaya ito, ang ganda ng bahay, oh. The house is very nice. Oh, tingnan mo, very modern na. Maganda, parang nga lang ako nasa car namin. Oh, ang ganda ng bahay, oh. Pak. Oh. Ayan, oh. The houses are very nice.
Wow. It's normal here.
See?
Nice house.
In fairness ha, ang gaganda ng mga bahay nila.
And solar, everyone has solar plant.
Tapos dito sa Peshawar, mostly they are using solar panel. Kasi nga, they are...
Your friend is sleeping.
Ay, ayan, oh. May
You want donkey,
pa-donkey.
this one?
But this is that garbage.
This one.
Sir, they are using the donkey to collect garbage.
From houses.
From houses. And this is a modern truck. Modern truck. So ayun na nga. So gumagamit sila ng solar panel kasi the power it's expensive here, right? The
No,
electricity.
not
That's why
expensive.
you're using solar. No, your brother said.
No, because sometimes no power.
Si brother. No power. That's
Sometimes.
why.
So that's why everyone is make alternative.
So ayan guys, so hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta but we will explore a little bit. So just hang on tight. Kailangan tight kayo. Stay there, bye! So ayan, breakfast muna tayo. Nag-prepare sila ng coffee and parata.
You are full.
No, kasi kumain kami ng pizza last night and every breakfast naman ganyan niya, may coffee. Drink your coffee now. Cheers!
Cheers.
Chai, that is chai?
Chai.
Ay, in fairness, ang sarap ng coffee sa Peshawar. Very special. Breakfast lang muna tayo kasi mamaya lalabas tayo. And I don't eat lunch. I don't eat breakfast kasi. I don't eat breakfast. I don't like. I will eat later. I'm still full last night.
This was dry. This milk cream, this is homemade.
Sarap. Sa Dubai mananawa ka din ito. Hindi mas lalo na dito, di ba? Kain. Tapos labas tayo mamaya. So guys, nandito tayo sa isang bazaar. This is bazaar, right? Bazaar? Ito bazaar siya. So, ayan yung mga paninda nila dito. Ay, this is like for the hands. Meron din sila mga nails. Oh, cute. Di mo ka, there's Louis Vuitton. May mga pa Louis Vuitton din sila. Assalamualaikum. How much is this one? 600. 600?
Yes.
600 rupees. Sige, ito for babies. For your niece. Oh, bibili na rin ako ng ng panty. May mga din sila, may mga pang nails. Mura lang siya.
YouTube.
YouTube.
Wait,
Yun.
YouTube page ni?
Binibigyan niya ako. This is for free?
नहीं
Nee. Nee, it's indeed daw. How much is this one?
250
250 rupees. Ah, it's cheap, no? The 250. It's low price. Yeah. 1 rupee.
हाँ
1.
तो वही
Last price.
Last price. 1.
205
200? Ah, it's 250 rupee. Ah, 200 is fine. This is just lip gloss.
Yeah. It give like
Shine only, right? Okay, let's try. Magta-try tayo ng isang lip. This one is nice for me. Sure? I will be beautiful. 200 last? No more? 150. 150. Nay? 200? 180. Maanda talaga yung pagkakuripot ko. 200 last?
200 plus final
That's the final. So sad. Okay, we will take this. Search it's Queen Jade No, search it in Facebook.
Facebook
Yeah, Facebook.
YouTube Insta
Same YouTube, but more on Facebook. Check the Facebook.
Facebook नहीं है
No, Facebook, TikTok. You have TikTok.
TikTok है
So magpapa-follow ta. I have one new subscriber from Pakistan.
yes
No,
Where are you from?
me, I'm from Philippines. You are from where? You're from Peshawar here? Peshawar?
yes
I-subscribe for me, ha? Queen Jade. May bago tayong subscriber. What's your name?
Rehmatullah Rahis.
Ha?
Rehmatullah Rahis.
Reman. I will call you Reman. This one is nice. This one in your head. It's for Peacock. So, yun, may bago tayong subscriber. So, he's watching my vlog. Thank you. I bought, parang lip gloss siya.
इसको नाम और क्या वाला
You will subscribe also? Queen Jade. Asking for subscribe. So, I have a lot of subscribers now here from Pakistan. You're from Peshawar?
Yes.
Peshawar also. But you're not Peshawar, ha? Okay. Okay, thank you so much. So guys, ayan, nakabili tayo ng isang lip gloss. Tahimik yung market nila ngayon dito, oh, 'di ba? Payapa lang siya. May mga tsinelas, may mga sandals. Ayan sila. And then, meron din silang mga laruan. May mga pa-flowers. Ang ganda ng mga bulaklak nila dito. Pa. Oh, may pa-mirror. Grabe naman yung buhok ko dito, guys. In fairness. But these are party dresses. Party for party?
10,500 की है
Ah, nice. See? How much like this one? 5,000. And that one is...
6,000.
I thought this is more expensive. No, we're just asking him.
It's like seasoning.
See? These are for kids. See? For this... So guys, nandito na tayo sa isa sa mga markets nila. So, we will try to... Magsha-shopping tayo dito sa Peshawar. Dito talaga ako magsha-shopping, guys. So, ayan yung market dito. Ang daming mga... Ayan sila. So, mostly, ano siya, parang mga tindahan siya ng mga damit. Madami, mga tela. See? Brother, this is just clothes? It's just clothes. It's just like this one. For making this. Okay. So mostly clothes here. So the other side, maybe, because I think this is just clothes, right? So mga clothes section. So mostly mga clothes section siya. So mga traditional na mga damit. In fairness, nakakahiya. Ang daming mga tao. Wala mang market. One, for cooking?
Cooking gills. Excuse me.
But I don't cook. May mga binibenta sila mga pang cooking daw. Ayan, tignan natin. This is like shawl. Hi, how much this one, brother?
300.
300. This is same like your mother showed me. It's good. Okay. So 300. How are you?
This is fine.
This is fine. What's your name? No? Name. Huh? How much this one? Huh?
52.
50? 50. How old are you? Age. 3 years old? 5? 5?
9 years.
9 years old. This is your brother? Your brother? No. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi. Say hi, Queen Jade. Queen Jade. So, just do like this. What's your name? Hanas. Okay, let's go. You will go Philippines? You know Philippines? China.
Chidar Kambaji.
China. Not China, Philippines.
Oh, what depends.
How much this one?
What then?
What is this?
Nala.
Nala.
Partoa.
Huh?
Partoa.
What?
Pashto. What is Pashto? Partoa.
Pants. I like for tying.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Oh, meron ka.
Your name?
Amjid.
Amjid. Okay. Jade. Take care, huh? You know, it's my first time. You smile. Smile. What's your name first? My name is Johan. You? Bilal. You? Where you think I'm from? Country.
Pakistan.
I'm Pakistani. Not China. Okay. Say hi, Queen Jane.
Future.
Say Queen Jane.
Queen Jen.
Queen Jane. They are already working.
Yeah, they are selling.
You're still here. You want manga? You want this one?
Without worry.
You want to try?
Without
No?
Ikaw yung fan ako na
Okay. You follow me on Facebook, ha?
What's your account?
Same, Queen Jade. Magpapafollow tayo sa kanila para marami tayong subscribe. This
I
one.
have mobile.
Okay.
I will be calling you.
Yeah, same like this one.
So,
You have... you still say
Queen Jen.
Yeah, Queen Jade, okay? Okay, bye-bye. I will eat biryani. There's biryani here? No? There? That side? Okay. Ay, ang taray. Oh, ang cute. What is this? This is ice cream. This is cone? He's straight making cone?
yeah. It's called
Kulfi.
पैसे और कम है अच्छा सिर्फ पैसे के
Guys, ililibre niya ako. You said you will treat me? How much is this one? 15 rupees? You will treat me. Okay, give me one. Kasi, wala, ang bait ng bata, nilibre niya ako dahil siya nang libre sa akin. 50 rupees. Okay. You have 100 rupees.
Ice cream na wala ba siya?
Oh, brother, give me one. Oh my God, please let him away. Is that allowed?
yeah it's not allowed like this
Okay, we will try. Pinaalis sila no security pero ita-try natin to. Kulfi nila.
wait for me
Ang sarap ng kulfi. It's very nice, guys. Pinaalis na sila ng security, bawal daw. Pero nilibre ako nung pag-gets. So let's go na kasi inaawat na sila. So yun guys, umalis muna tayo sa crowd kasi nga ang crowded. And siguro uwi na muna tayo. So ito yung Peshawar market nila. So ayan siya. So ngayon naman, itatry nating sumakay sa tinatawag nilang tutok. Tutok is para siyang tricycle nila. Ganyan siya. Ayan. Yan yung tricycle nila dito.
Right?
Yeah.
Right, this
So, I will ride Tutok going back home. Let's go.
क्या करें? हमारे सरकार और का
Mas, ayaw.
Dua pa ka tas. Tapos mo. Wala ko.
So, makikipag-bargain muna tayo. Magkano pa masahe?
Sit.
Here?
Yeah.
Ako.
I will go there by foot.
Here.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, let's go. So, this is the... I think... Okay. So, we are going to... Aray ko. So, magtututok tayo. Bye, guys! Bye, everyone, to all my fans here in Peshawar. Bye-bye, guys! See you again in my next vlog. Bye, Sad. Bye-bye. At least, you don't want to entertain me. Okay. So, ito yung toto. How much is the... what you call this one? Payment here?
The right?
The right, yeah. 150 rupees. Straight to your home?
No, it's like
Going out only.
around
Rounding.
the market.
Okay. Bongga. So, ayan. Hi, brother. How are you? Are you feeling good today? Just
They're like
yeah. Some of them, they're just like staring at us.
they're very secret.
Yeah. See? There na. It's like I'm the Madonna of Peshawar. Yung Madonna. I'm Beyonce of Peshawar. Hello everyone! How are you? Yeah, hi! Hello! Say hi! Saya-saya talaga. Ay, yung mga barbecue sila dun, oh. Bongga. So this time, maganda naman yung weather nila. Maayos siya. Tapos ito yung mga mobile shops nila lahat dito. Ayan. So ito na yung pinakabuong city. Peshawar is a city. Na buong city ng Peshawar. Wow! Di ba dar? Pero sa dami ko gwapo. Oh, pa. Diyos ko talagang ano yan eh. Liliguan mo lang talaga yung mga yan dahil perfect ka na dyan. Hindi mo na kailangan si Piolo Pascal o kaya Pak. Oh, grabe siya makatingin, no? Parang bebembangin niya ako. Oh, Pak. Oh, di ba? Ang daming mga tao. So, may pa donut. It's like churros or donut? Tara, may pa churros sila. Parang Spain. So, meron na tayong konting tour. Meron na tayong konting tour ngayon. And then, mamaya-maya, uwi na din tayo. Kasi bukas, pupunta tayo ng Islamabad. Ay, baka mamayang gabi na din pala. What?
You want to why is this one open?
I don't know. What is this one?
This one will make your belly running. Moni, you want?
What is this?
Gulgappa. It's like Saudi.
The one that...
Yes.
You have to open the whole mouth too.
Okay, I will try this one.
Okay. अलग plate show के
What do you call this one?
जोड़ के जोड़ लगा ना यो.
Guldafa? Gulgappa. This is traditional food?
No, it's like from Punjab side.
Gul. Guys, magta-try tayo ng Guljapa.
Gulgappa.
Gulgappa. What? Kung ano man ng tawag to.
Yeah, you will make it.
So, ayan.
The kid has only one teeth.
Ha?
Only one.
Nagtatrabaho na siya, no? Ilang taon na yun? But too much, is it only one?
Yeah.
So, itatry natin siya, guys. Kung anong lasa niya. Ayan siya, ganyan. This is nice? Good?
Spicy or
Yeah, this is nice. Ayan. So, ayan, ito, try natin siya. You need to dip this one. That's okay. It is plain. So, I need to dip this one.
Yeah.
Like this. Para si Scuba. Try natin siya, guys. Sarap siya. Kasi minsan yung ibang hindi nila nagugustuhan to. Nice. Sarap siya and I like. Parang ano na daw yata to eh, parang mga Punjab side na food na siya. Pero masarap. So guys, kita try natin yung kanilang sugarcane juice. Fresh ba to? This is fresh?
Yeah, this one fresh they just made. Try, say nice, and then look around. Huh? This guy laughing at you.
Right? Masarap!
Alam ko na whiskey ka na.
Masarap!
Okay.
This one is better. Last time we tried but I don't like. It's like, they put lemon.
Yes.
Last time, pero
This
ngayon
time?
kasi, wala siyang lemon. Mas masarap siya, mas natural.
Natural. Done?
I love it. Okay guys, that's the end of our tour in Peshawar. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa parking area. Diba? Where did you park my BMW? Where's my BMW? Why you're so acting slow? Slow? Ito na pala siya. Ayan, kasi mamaya pupunta tayo ng Islamabad. Guys, baliktad yung manubela nila dito na dun sa kabila. So dito tayo. Oh my God. Pagbuksan, open door for me. I'll open from... Buksan daw niya from loob. Ano ba yan? Okay. Let's go. Oh my God, I'm so tired. Let's go home, guys. So guys, ayun, nakauwi na tayo kasi kakain muna tayo. Hindi na kami kumain doon sa labas. Dito na lang para mas payapa. At saka may masarap daw kasi no-orderan. So, ayan yung in-order. What is this one?
This is patatika. This is liver.
Tikad. Ayan, mga liver. Grilled. This is, ano ba to? Lamb.
Coils. Chicken
Quail.
roast. And fish.
Fish. And this is mandi?
No, this kabuli pulao is like biryani type, but other.
So ayan. Kakain muna tayo. That's it. I'm so hungry. Let's go. So ayun guys. Abangan nyo na lang. Pupunta kami ng Islamabad. Ayaw mahat. And ituloy na rin yung vlog natin doon. Thank you for watching and keep on subscribing my YouTube channel. And see you again in my next vlog. Bye!